In this video, I will show you how to silence notifications on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now, if you want to silence notifications on your iPhone, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. And in the Control Center, just tap on the bell icon over here and enable silent mode. And after you do that, all your notifications will be silenced out, just like that. Now, if you cannot find the silent mode icon over here, then go to the home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Sounds and Haptics, and from here you will be able to enable silent mode. And after you enable silent mode, you will silence all the notifications on your iPhone, just like that. And this is how you can silence notifications on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.